So pakita ko lang sa inyo guys, this is Tower 1, and then that's Tower 2, and then that's Tower 3, Tower 4, and Tower 5, dun sa pinakadulo. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Doc Jean, and today I'm super excited to take you on a tour of the stunning SMDC Wind Residences in Tagaytay. We'll be exploring one of the rooms as well as the amazing amenities this condo has to offer. Let's get started. Good morning. Ayan, naglalakad-lakad lang muna ako dito sa wala lang, dito lang sa grounds. Ayan, ayan, lakad-lakad lang muna. Mainit lang, hindi tayo nakapag-sunblock. Wala lang, maaga pa kasi, so sige pa, pwede pa tayo magpa-araw, vitamin D. Wala lang, saya lang maglakad-lakad dito. Exercise before we eat our breakfast. So, ito yung itsura ng SMDC Wind Residence. Maganda siya. Yan. Very, very convenient if you want to go on a staycation or you just want to relax. Very, very convenient. And then, pwede rin kayong mag-badminton dito sa shade, sa labas. Or if you have kids, takbo-takbo, ganyan. Alam nyo, next time we go here, magdadala ako ng ganyan, yung badminton lang na binibili sa SM para laro-laro lang ganyan in the morning kasi maganda to sa morning. And also nga pala, they also have yan o, yung nakikita yung building sa malayo. Zoom ko. Yan o. Yan, yung building na yan. SMDC din yan. But hindi siya nag-offer ng view ng Taal Lake. Anyway, this is our building. This is Tower 3. Ayan. Tower 3. And as I think I've mentioned it already, we have a free parking slot. Care of, syempre, dun sa ating host. Pasok na ako guys, and I'll see you in a bit. As we step inside, you can now see the spacious and welcoming lobby. They also have a wide range of amenities which I will be showing you later. Ito nga pala yung lobby kung saan kayo magre-register pagdating nyo dito before you can go up to your room. Ito yung daan papunta sa swimming pool. Yung swimming pool, kailangan daw kasi mag-register kayo dun sa lobby na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Magre-register dun. And ang alam ko kasi may bayad din to na 150. So, siguro if you're gonna stay here, better to ask your host kung kasama na ba dun sa payment nyo yung 150 for the use of the pool. Yun. Ako kasi, hindi rin naman kasi kami nagdala ng swimwear. So, wala. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung pool para more or less you have an idea what to expect here at SMDC Wind Residences. So, this must be the kiddie pool. Oo, mababaw lang eh. And this must be the adult pool, yun nasa gitna. Ayan. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang feet. Sabi nila doon, no lifeguard on duty daw. So you're on your own. And then, this is the third pool, which I don't know kung... parang jacuzzi siya siguro kasi merong bubula-bula. Yan. Ayun. Must be the jacuzzi. Kasi bumubula-bula siya. Kita nyo ba yung bula? There's an indoor pool din, pero hindi pwedeng pumasok yata. Pero may tao dun. Baka other door lang. And then there's also a badminton court. Yun ang nakalagay kasi doon, badminton court. Badminton court nga siya. So now you know that there's an indoor pool and also a badminton court. Tingnan natin, silipin natin ulit yung indoor pool. Ayan siya. Kung ayaw nyong mangitim, there's also a basketball court and a playground pala. Ito, puntahan natin. Ayan o, there's a playground. Maliit lang yung playground, but it's okay. Now, let's head up to our room. But before we do that, pakita ko lang muna sa inyo ang hallway and elevator. Ito yung elevator area or service elevators ng SMDC Tower 3. Nandito kasi ako, bababa ako. Tingnan lang natin tong view natin dito.
And now, this is the hallway. Well-maintained naman ang kanilang hallway and very clean.
Wow, ayan. So, ito yung aming nakuha na room dito sa SMDC Tower 3. We are on the 17th floor. Ang ganda, grabe. Pasok tayo sa loob. Ito yung room. Ang ganda niya. Tapos, ayan, may mga closet. Teka, room tour muna natin tong banyo. Saan ilaw? Meron siyang free na toothpaste, cotton buds. May bidet. Ay, ang ganda ng shower. Ayan yung shower niya. Shampoo, conditioner, soap, hot and cold. Ayan, ganda. Kitchen. Ano to mga to? Mga utensils. Ito. Mga plato. Microwave. Induction cooker. Ayan, buti may ganito. Ala, nandiyan ka na agad. Ang ganda din dyan eh. Pwede pang 5 tao dito eh. Kasi yan pwede naman nga dyan eh.
At ito na nga yung view sa pwesto ng pamangkin ko. At kasama na nga din sa binuko na room ay ang free parking slot which is care of the host, and this is located at basement 1.
Ang swerte natin dito sa itong nakuha ko. May kasama siyang parking.
One of the best things about staying at Wind Residences is the view. It really makes the stay here very special.
Taal Volcano. Yan. Ganda. Dito tayo sa kabilang side.
Aside from the view of the Taal Lake and volcano from the balcony, pwede nyo ring makita dito yung mga amenities ng condo, which is the swimming pool and the basketball court. Plus also, you can see the garden. But for me, ang selling point talaga nitong room na to is the Taal view from the balcony. This is the reason why I booked this place.
Guys, good morning. Pasensya na kung medyo maingay sa likod ko kasi National Highway na itong nasa likod ko. Anyway, I'm still here in SMDC Wind Residence and it's 7 a.m. Wala, lalakad-lakad lang tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga pwedeng makainan dito. Yan, there's Pizza Hut, there's Island Tea, there's Dairy Queen, tapos yung Liminal Coffee dun sa gilid. We're still in Tower 3. Guys, dito pa lang sa may Ace Hardware. Nakabili na ako ng almusal. Ayan. Ako and Kamote Q. Kamote Q and Carioca. Ayan. Diba? Hindi na ako nakaabot ng 7-Eleven. Dito pa lang sa Tower 2 sa may Ace Hardware. Nakapili na ako ng almusal. 7-Eleven. Diyan sa loob sa China, bumibili ng almusal daw niya. Hindi na ako papasok sa loob kasi nakabili na ako ng almusal ko. This one, nakain ko na nga yung taho. Ayan, nag-check out na kami and nandito kami ngayon sa Pizza Hut to have our lunch. Diba? And then, we're going back home na to Manila.
And that concludes our tour of the SMDC Wind Residences here in Tagaytay. I hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful condo with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel and lifestyle content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Nagawa nito, huy. Huy, naliligaw ka ba? Grabe, oh. Tingnan mo, ano pinagagawa mo? Gagawa mo, huy. Umakit ka na dito. Gutom na kami. walang almusal yung mga anak mo dito. Uy. Gutom na ako.